Good afternoon. We're looking at this really nice 78 Jeep CJ7 304 V8 manual transmission. This is a fully frame off restoration, all metal, no fiberglass tub or any of that kind of stuff. And it has the most incredible paint job I've ever seen on any vehicle, much less a Jeep. It's a GM color code, Bahama blue, and it's really incredible. We just did a quick ceramic coating on it, and it is really nice. The attention to detail, as you can see, the undercarriage looks just as nice as the top side. Got the half doors here, really nice. Got the Rhino line on the interior. It's a nice best top seats, Hurst shifter. Again, the attention to detail on this one, really incredible. All new bushings, all new suspension, everything's nice and fresh. And I'll be adding plenty of photos showing the undercarriage, under the hood. We'll pop the hood right now as well. Drives great. Just did a full rebuild on the rear brakes, new parking cables, new shoes, all that kind of good stuff. Everything's new. I don't believe the tachometer works. I believe all the other gauges function properly. Again, the paint is just incredible, the attention to detail. Somebody put a lot of money into it. It's got a small lift, 33 1250 Wrangler tires, Goodyear. Really sharp. Getting a new steering gearbox installed. It's got a slight weep at the input shaft. I figured just replace the whole box. Thanks for watching. Please message me. Just jump on a FaceTime or a phone call, or better yet, come take a look at it. You really will not be disappointed. I really don't see any flaws to note doing my walk around assessment. No chips or scratches or anything. Just really clean. Just a well done Jeep. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.